Good morning, Madison Lion Cubs. This is Mr. DSK on this rainy November 6th morning to share with you what's happening at Madison this week. But before I do so, I'd like you to join me in saying Madison Lion Cubs are always respectful, always responsible, and always really, really safe. So I know and you know that we're all going to have a great day and a great week. But before we get started on that great day and great week, I have some announcements for you. Well, the first one is that I know that you know that Madison is a great school. But did you know that Madison was voted the best elementary school in South Sound? That's right, best elementary school in South Sound. Now, Miss Jody had this idea that we purchase a banner to place outside the building so parents and community members driving by can see that we're the best in South Sound. So she applied for a grant through the Olympia Education Foundation and received a grant. So thank you, Miss Jody, for putting in that application and for making that banner for us a reality. A couple of weeks ago, Miss Vroman received a grant for some wobble stools, and I've just learned that Miss Vroman has received another grant through Olympia Education Foundation for $500 to buy some DK books for the library. Thank you, Miss Vroman, for putting in that application, and I look forward to seeing what books you have purchased for our library. Teacher Jane in Transition to Kindergarten program put in for 2 grant requests, one through the Olympia School District Foundation and the other one through Hagen Foods, and she received grants for $600 and $1,000 to be able to purchase snacks for the TK students. So thank you, Teacher Jane, for reaching out to those different organizations and for being a successful grant recipient. Let's see, on Thursday at 1:45 we will have our Madison Veterans Day Assembly. Now, parents, guardians, community members, and veterans are invited to attend. If you plan on coming, I ask that you let us know by clicking on the link in the description below. And Madison students, this is going to be our first Veterans Day Assembly post-COVID that we will be running. Our 5th graders will be hosting the event, and they will be explaining to you and to anyone who attends what Veterans Day is about, its history, its origins, and why we celebrate Veterans Day. In a nutshell, Veterans Day is celebrated on November 11th, which this year falls on a Saturday, and it's to honor the service from our servicemen and women in branches of the military, and it's a special day of recognition, so much so that it is a national holiday. And because this year November 11th Veterans Day falls on a Saturday, we as a nation will be celebrating on the Friday with a holiday. So Friday is a no school day. Let's see, what else do I have? Oh, I know, playground expectations. Now, at the beginning of the year, and usually at the beginning of every quarter, our para-educators do a recess rodeo where we show students how to play on the equipment and the expectations for safety on the equipment, and also some of the games. So those expectations and those rules for the games, they are there so we can all have fun and play safely and take turns. This includes games like basketball, foursquare, the rings, the slides, and so forth. So if you have any questions about those games and what the rules or expectations are, be sure to ask our para-educator on staff. They know what the rules are, and their word is final on that. Okay, we don't have any special rules that only happen on the 3rd Thursday of a month, for example. There's one set of rules that we all play. Okay? So, well, gosh, that's it from me. I will see you out and about, and if you have any questions, be sure to ask. Bye.